Assalamu alaikum Digital Dynamo public. So today in this video I will teach you how you can remove your pictures background and your video background. This is an amazing thing. No one tell you about everyone tell you about how you can remove your picture background, but in this video I will show you how you can remove easily your video background without any chroma key, without any green screen. So I will tell you different ways how you can remove your background. First of all, you can use Canva for removing background from images. I will teach you in many times. Now we don't discuss about this. If you want to remove your background from your video, you can use this website, which is remove.bg. This is free of cost website where you can remove easily your video's background. I will click on that, try and upload image to remove an background. I will check how it will look like. I will add an image which is low quality. I think this one. Preparing to upload. We are waiting for how to upload. First of all, I will show you how you can remove your video's background, and second, I will show you how you can remove your image background. Now you can check the background is removed properly without any. This is amazing thing. This is unbelievable. You can change background from here like this. This is amazing thing like this. Now you can check the podcaster on a road. If you want to add this one, you can add multiple. So thank you. And now you can download from here in HD quality without any paying any fees or login process, I think. So this is a simple way to how you can remove your background of video without green screen or without paid software. Now we comes to the second point, which is how you can remove your background of image background. Just search here, remove remove image background, Adobe. This is a free of cost website by Adobe. Click on this site and open this. Just click here, upload photo. You can use, you can see free to use, no credits required. If I searched here, remove background by video rep now. Video page, Adobe. Let's see. This website is available. Yes, this is available. Just upload your image here. If I want to remove this photo, you can check this is properly removed your background. You can download your image from here without paying any bills or extra fees. You can see. Now you can see there is very some dirty image. If you want to enhance this, just search here image enhancement. Image enhancer. Search on Google, and Cutout Pro is using the work. This is an extra point for you how you can your images enhance. Just upload here your image. But this is a paid website. I will show you how you can get free access for this. Now upload image. I want to upload this one. I want to enhance this one. Now you can check the quality of this image from this to this. If you want to free of cost, you just search here temp mail and you can use every time you get some credits to use. Just log in with temporary mails and you can get every time access to download 1 to 2 pictures and you get more credits. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.